Here we come to the elevators at the Station Plaza Garage in Trenton, New Jersey, by the Trenton Transit Center station. These are older Dover Impulse. Roof. Epic. Here's your cab view. I'm not gonna get the other elevator car because I gotta catch a train. Listen to the motor, here we go. All right, we'll go back down to G went in there. These are your fixtures. They're older Dover Impulse fixtures. Coming down?
Yeah, going down. Thank you.
You're welcome. Older Dover Impulse fixtures. Indicator works. All right, ma'am. You have a great rest of the day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. After you. You're welcome. Here's your phone. Once you close, there it goes, and that's it.